is Dr. Prosper Narteh, head coach of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I would like to use this opportunity to thank you all for your congratulatory messages, compliments, and best wishes. I am very grateful.
Well. Mariano Barreto has left the club. I know Mariano Barreto has left the club because most of you wanted him to go. When I made the last video, I talked about the reports that Dr. Kwame wants him to come back. Most of you were saying, no. Now they have confirmed he's no longer at the club. Prosper Narteh is the new head coach of Asante Kotoko. That's crazy, right? I think it's very crazy because when Mariano Barreto's contract was terminated, media houses, radio stations, especially those ones in Kumasi, I don't want to mention any names, most of you know the names I'm talking about, they wanted Kotoko to have problems with Mariano Barreto in the contract termination process so that they have something negative to publish about, something negative to talk about in the radio stations, but it didn't happen and they are pissed about it. They constantly looking for a way to bring problems, to create tension between Kotoko fans and the club and the CEO of the club. I don't know why they hate the CEO. He's a nice person. He does his stuff his own way. If he doesn't invite you, everyone feels that they have a role to play at Kotoko. If you're not appointed, if you're not called to work or to serve the club, just stay from distance to admire. If you are at the club and things didn't work out for you, focus on your own way. It doesn't make sense to stay in your house, stay in your radio stations, go online in your blog and start bashing the club for no reason, spreading rumors that could tarnish the image of the club. It doesn't make sense. They wanted Mariano Barreto and Asante Kotoko to have problems so they have something to talk about, but it didn't happen. It was very smooth and the contract termination ended amicably, and I'm very pleased that the way the club handled it. And as you can see, it's an improvement from the previous management we've been having. The previous management we've been having problems when sacking coaches, radio stations and everybody talking about it, but I think it's an improvement. I'm very happy that the things were ended or were solved amicably. Prosper Narteh is the new Asante Kotoko coach. I already talked about Prosper Narteh in the video. I'll put the link for you guys to go see. I talked about Prosper Narteh and what to expect when it comes to Kotoko. I think he's a very good coach. I think he has what it takes to succeed as Kotoko, but the thing is that we have to give him time. We have to give Prosper Narteh time to implement his philosophy, to bring his style to the club. So if we give him time, I'm sure that he's going to take his time and improve the team, improve the club, improve everyone at the club, and eventually win Asante Kotoko trophy. Asante Kotoko announced yesterday that the preseason will begin today, and this will be Prosper Narteh's first training session with the club, with the players. All the players are not currently in Kumasi, as most of them are still coming back from Eritrea. Fabio Gama is on his way back to Ghana, and I think that everybody will come back. I think before the end of the week, everybody will be in camp and they will be preparing ahead of next season. Yeah, that's what I think. So that's a quick update I wanted to give you guys, and I'm hoping that this season will be very good because there's a lot of negativity and we need positivity, and that was the announcing of Prosper Narteh was one of the positives we got ahead of next season. So this month is almost ending. From next month, everything will become extremely serious, and Kotoko will be talking about these preseason matches and all that. So I'm very hyped. I'm looking forward to the preseason and the friendlies ahead of next season. So I'd like to know your thoughts. What do you think about Prosper Narteh? What are you expecting from him? Because I know he's an attacking coach and he plays with fast players. He plays with fast players and is very good when it comes to counter-attack. That's one of his strengths. He knows how to counter-attack. He knows how to set his play up for a counter-attack mode, and I think he's going to do that at Kotoko. So I'm sure he's going to sign good, fast wingers and attackers. That's what I'm expecting, and I think he's going to do well at Kotoko. I'd like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.